Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. I hope you are having a good day. I'm just getting set up to put the remaining tailgate letters on this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This is a TRD Sport, sorry about that. It is a little breezy out here. Now, when I did the tailgate, I wanted to stay very true to the original Tacoma logo, and that's what we've done in there. You can see that this says Tacoma in the tailgate. Anyone can see that. However, when you start filling it in with letters, you're going to attract more attention, and I want that to look exactly like the original. So let me show you how to install the remaining letters. We got the O and the A. We have our Sticker Fab application fluid that will allow us to slide the letters around. If you don't have that fluid and don't want to pick it up from our site, you can also use a drop of dish soap mix with a cup of water. That makes a pretty good mixture, but for worry-free installation, Sticker Fab application fluid is recommended. Also have a microfiber right there. I have detailing spray that has no wax in it because we want this surface to be completely clean. We don't want a wax in between the paint and the back of the vinyl. And of course, I have my remaining letters right here. Let me get this camera on this tripod and we'll finish it up. All right, so it's about 76 degrees here right now. You want to do this installation between 70 and 80 degree weather. It can even be a little warmer, but I don't recommend going any colder because the sun is so bright right now. I have this in the shade. If that vinyl gets too warm, it will stretch all over the place and it won't hold its original shape, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to spray this down, make sure it's all clean. That's that detail spray. I'm using Speed Wipe by Chemical Guys. Readily available in many, many places. Make sure your hands are clean. I'm going to spray that back down with the application fluid, being nice and liberal with that. And then I'm going to grab my O. Because it's kind of windy, I want to spray the back of that before it comes off of the backing paper. I don't want it to stick to itself. If it's too breezy and you don't have that application fluid, it will stick just by folding itself in half. So we want to align it. If it's sticking too much, just spray more application fluid and then put it back down. So if it goes over into the areas that aren't flat, that's okay. The vinyl will stick to it. I just wanted this to look as OEM as possible. So we stuck to that OEM logo. What I'm doing right now is pushing all that water out with my fingers, making sure there are no bubbles under there. And then I can use my microfiber to gently dry that up. When we're all done, I can turn this vehicle around, let the sun dry up the rest. And there we have the O done. Let's get on to that A. Detail spray, microfiber, application fluid, application fluid on the letter, right up there, center it up, be gentle in the beginning. And start pushing that water out, that application fluid or soapy water. It's down. Come back with my microfiber, just gently dry it up. Press down a little bit more. Make sure there are no pockets of liquid. See it squirt out right there. And then at the very end, if this was a permanent installation, I would flip it around and let it dry out. But let me clean this whole area up and I'll let you guys have a look at it. All right, I'm really digging that look. I only did an orange vinyl because we have tons of orange vinyl, but I think that splash of color would look good on darker colors, grays, blacks, silvers. It's going to stand out a little bit, but if you want a subtle color like a matte black, we'll have that available as well. and we'll do the topological map inserts. So those will be super subtle, but they'll kind of have this design in them. So in case you got those pillars or some other stuff, you can carry on that theme throughout into your tailgate. So please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification for the latest things we're coming out with for the 2024 Toyota Tacoma.